For the first time, I would like my name just because of the way you say it. And I would memorize every line and hair to remember when you aren't there. We would walk along a tree-lined street with a breeze dancing at our feet. We would sing a song in harmony. If only you hadn't left me. So I'll think of you once in a blue when I hear your favorite tune. And someday after a year or two, maybe then I won't be loving you. I'll think of you once in a blue when I see someone who looks like
you. This is my house for the day.
my hiking outfit. Let's go!
I just wanna listen with you. Diamonds in the hay. We know what's right in the way. Could it be proof that we are mirrors of truth, reflections, passing through projections of what's good? So raise a glass. Meet me in the dark, meet me in the stardust. Heaven isn't far, heaven's all around us. Give into the rush, give it all you got.
So hot over almost.
Celebrate because you're a star catcher, dream maker, lifesaver, yeah. So raise a glass. Woohoo.
そばです。なんかハイキングの後いつもそば食べてる。美味しそう、天ぷらも。So it's currently 6:32 a.m. and we're setting up the sauna that is actually a part of our little guest house we have here. We didn't get to go in yesterday because we were too exhausted, so we decided to wake up early this morning and try it out. You've been seeing these little frogs everywhere. They're so cute. Look at it. Isn't it so cute? We call these clouds here unkai in Japan, and the characters or the kanjis for that are cloud and ocean. It's because the clouds literally look like little ocean waves. So 5 点. We got whole wheat crackers, sweet potato bread, and red bean paste bread. Sweet potato paste bread.
Want